name is Balkaran Sidhu and I am from Manohar Infrastructure and Construction Private Limited. Today I show you Palm Grande exclusive villas project by Manohar Infrastructure and Construction Private Limited. आइए मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ अंदर. ये पाम ग्रैंडे एक्सक्लूसिव विला है 362 स्क्वायर यार्ड्स. आइए. दिस इज द एंट्रेंस. ये दिस इज द पार्किंग. आपकी आराम से 2 गाड़ियों का पोजीशन रहेगा प्लस एंट्रेंस लोन आ जाता है यहाँ पे फ्रंट पे. This is the main entrance, front teakwood entrance and keyless entry. Please come in. Front पे we have entrance, drawing room, living area. In this we are giving fall ceiling with all the chandeliers, full AC condition, air condition, and flooring, Italian marble flooring. We are giving this is automation lighting, whole automation lighting with all these curtains. This is the powder room. This is the dining area. In this we are giving lift. This is an option. In lift, if in case you want lift, this is option. Otherwise. This is a chandelier we are giving. This is the whole chandelier we are also giving this. On ground floor we have 1 bedroom, 1 puja room. This is the puja room. Kitchen, this whole kitchen we are giving with all these accessories, microwave, oven, taps. This whole woodwork we are giving with chimney and hob. All branded equipments. All branded fittings we are giving. This is a family lounge. In every bedroom we are giving ACs and chandeliers. This is a chandelier we are giving here also. Back side of this villa, you have a private loan. Plus point of villa is this, like on the back side you have 40 feet road and on the front side you have 100 feet road. बैक साइड पे ही आपकी जो स्टेयर्स देख रहे हैं, ये स्टेयर्स आपके 2nd फ्लोर तक जा रही है, जहाँ पे आपका सर्वेंट रूम है. ऊपर टॉप पे आपका 2nd फ्लोर, यू हैव 2 रूम्स एंड 1 बाथरूम किचन. This is a bedroom. This is a one bedroom on the ground floor. You have. This is a king size bedroom. This is a dressing area and almirahs we are giving. This whole almirahs we are giving. Bathroom. You can see these Artis and Willow and Bosch, all the branded equipments we are giving. On the other part, like on the same bedroom, you have sitting area also. On the outside of this bedroom, you can see sitting area. Now we are going to first floor of this villa, duplex villa. On the first floor, we have 3 bedrooms, 1 family lounge and 1 small pantry you are getting. This is the first stop of the lift. This is the second bedroom with attached dressing and washroom. Mirrors we are giving. On the outside of this bedroom, we are giving balcony. With every bedroom, you have a balcony. Please come here. Here we get a family lounge, chandeliers, ACs we are giving. This stairs going to on the second floor, on which you have a 1-2 servant room and 1 bathroom and 1 kitchen. This space you can utilize. This is the third bedroom. In this we are giving all the false ceilings, ACs, almirahs we are giving. This is a dressing plus washroom. This is the fourth bedroom. with attached dressing and washroom. You can see like in every bedroom you have a dressing and washroom attached in every bedroom. This is a plus point of this villa, duplex villa. On the back side also you have a balcony. We are standing on the first floor, and second floor is also you have.